Black Friday is basically the only time in the year we run sales here at OG, so it means it's a great opportunity for you to save some money on the products that we carry. This video is the buyer's guide for a $2,000 price range. So let's start by talking about the detailing category. We split this up into two, whether you're a new detailer or an existing detailer. If you're a new detailer, you're going to want to check out some solutions, some packages, and some kits. We put a lot of effort into designing these packages and kits and making the layout easy for you to use, so I would highly recommend checking those out. Some packages you should consider are the bucket package, towel solutions, car washing packages, or wheel and tire packages. And if you're an existing detailer, I'm telling you, you need to get a Mirka polisher. We don't often put things up on a pedestal or say they're really great or they'll change your life, but I'm telling you, this Mirka polisher is phenomenal. If you already have a polisher or you're not looking to get another one, an Ego blower is a pretty good staple to your arsenal for drying off your car. Additionally, I'd highly recommend you checking out our OG vacuum solution, as again, it is phenomenal. It's probably the best vacuum for detailing in the world. Moving on to pressure washing, we specifically chose the $2,000 price point to include this package, and that is the Krinsla K1122 portable solution, specifically the ultimate tier. We have a lot of videos about this package explaining what it is and how to set it up, but if you didn't know, it is basically the ultimate version of what a portable pressure washing setup can be. The Krinsla K1122 is the best portable pressure washer you can get, with its good performance and its encasing that has wheels on it so you can roll it around easily. And if you pair that with OG's accessories like the OG spec gun, the high pressure hose, all of our garden hoses and quick disconnects, it's really a phenomenal package. The reason we really wanted to focus on this package in this video is because it will actually be more on sale than everything else. So the K1122 is going on sale just by itself, independent of Black Friday, but we're going to allow you to stack those discounts on top of each other. So if you've been on the fence about it, right now is the cheapest it will probably ever be. If you already have a pressure washer or maybe a portable setup's not for you, maybe consider transitioning to a wall mount setup. We have a couple upgrade kits for that, but the core of what you'll need is a hose reel, some piping package, and maybe even a CR spotless. Lastly, let's talk about garage. So the first thing I would consider is some Swiss Trax flooring. With the discount, you can probably get a 2-car garage for just under $2,000, and it will make a pretty significant difference in 1, how your garage looks, and 2, how clean it stays. Swiss Trax flooring lets all the dirt and debris and everything fall beneath it, and it keeps your garage looking immaculate for years. If you already have your garage's flooring and lighting dialed in, the next thing to consider would be a Sonic Next toolbox, specifically the entry-level ones. These are comparable to Sonic's MSS Plus, just in a mobile format, and they are phenomenal. They're a really good value for money. If you already have flooring, lighting, and a cabinet set up, you should consider putting some audio in your garage. I'm telling you, it's a pretty big difference when you have high quality audio in your garage as opposed to playing it on a small Bluetooth speaker or maybe even on your phone. I would recommend picking up our basic Bluetooth speaker setup. It comes with 2 speakers and a sub and all of the wires and cables you're going to need to set everything up. You do have a choice of AM3s or AM5s. So that's the $2,000 buyer's guide this Black Friday. Just know that everything in our store is on sale for Black Friday, and the discount will automatically apply to your cart. So if there's something that we didn't mention that you want, it's still probably on sale. If you have any questions about anything that we talked about in this video, or really anything in the store, feel free to comment below or email us at support@obsessedgarage.com.